Hi there, my name is Evan Reisner, and my project was on a sushi business located in San Ignacio, Belize, called Healthy-Sushi. So this project was done for a friend, and unfortunately they were not able to provide much information or pictures about their business. However, I was able to put together a basic web page that could easily have images and information subbed out to more accurately represent the business. So I just located these pictures online. This is San Ignacio, and then just some various sushis. Their primary goal is to provide vegan sushi, but they will also cater to a pescatarians. So they will be serving fish. The target audience for this website and business is locals and visitors of Belize, as well as just San Ignacio City in general. We want to convince people that the 1 hour drive from the capital of Belmopan would be worth it just to try our sushi. So kind of say right here, less than 1 hour from Belmopan, the beautiful capital of Belize. Ideally, the page would have the option to display English and Spanish, which are the two main languages spoken in Belize. It would be wise in the future also to add some social media options for pictures and reviews. I tried to use language that would attract visitors to taste local flavors and specialties. So local fish, including grouper, tuna, and lobster, and mentioning lionfish, which is an invasive species but quite tasty. I emphasize the freshness of the ingredients due to the proximity of the sea, which San Ignacio is just 2.5 hours away from the coast. And one of their biggest target markets is, of course, vegans. And so that is one of the main target audiences there that we're trying to hit with some vegan rolls here and just kind of some general options here. I did receive some great advice from fellow students, which helped me drive my color choice and general layout. I utilized my hero image here and Adobe Color Picker to match my colors, and I chose a bright, upbeat theme, which I think lends very well to just kind of the healthy feeling of sushi in general, as well as the tropical feel of Belize. The overall look, I think, is very inviting, and it also scales well. Let's see if I can, yeah. So I got it to kind of close down there. Yeah. So I think it scales well on mobile devices, and I'd love to add actual images of the food, as another student suggested, and I'm just waiting on the customer to provide those to me. I did utilize some new technology for the shop page or the order page right here, and that was on Equid. And Equid is actually super helpful, and they had a great setup, and I was able to go in and change the product details and make it so you could choose a different amount and then head back and kind of create a little cart for yourself and place an order. So that was super helpful. With more time, I'd like to implement a map on the main page or perhaps the contact page here, just to help users locate the business. And I think users will get really tremendous use out of it to answer any questions they have. I also found this contact format and used it to help me kind of develop it. So have the insert first name here, and then you could type in whatever your name is. So let's say Jake, and then kind of takes it over, which I think looks pretty nice. And then I have a little drop down with just some local places not listed, and I'd probably would add to that or look into different options for this. Yeah, and then just submit it there. So I think users will get a great use out of that, and as well as the business will be able to get some quality feedback, hopefully. Let's see. So the thing I'm most proud of is my color design. As I mentioned earlier, I think the colors are very inviting, and they're not too strenuous on the eyes. I tried to make sure my background was nice and not kind of attacking on your eyes. And I think that allows some of these brighter colors like these oranges here and the yellows to kind of pop. And I've been to Belize before, and one of the best things there is just the amount of colors. And you can kind of see here they have the signs and like adventure tours, and then just the color of the buildings. It's a really beautiful country, and I tried to kind of incorporate some of that into the feeling of my general website. Let's see. All right, so my site does definitely have some improvements that could be made. I had some trouble with this page, the menu page in particular. I created an image gallery and used it to kind of display all these images. I had to reuse, like I said, the images from the order because the customer didn't provide me some, so I just found some on a copyright-free web page. But my actual website is here, and you can kind of see the images end up taking up this whole box, and you can only see the title of the thing. I made these up, I don't even know what these are, but like a lionfish platter. But if we go all the way to the bottom here, I kind of I did have some words I tried to throw in there and be a little bit more flowery, and you can kind of see that right here where I got it to display, but I wasn't able to get this uploaded. But so just kind of I tried to use really flowery language again to try to entice customers to come here. So scrumptious sashimi made with fresh local catch, vegan rolls wrapped in vegan rice paper. These rolls are sure to satiate even the biggest of appetites. Let's see. Another addition I could make on here, like I mentioned earlier, is the map, and I think that could either be on the home page, maybe on like a little side widget here, or some social media buttons, so users could add the reviews and have like a Yelp page, so you can click and go see that, and maybe see more user customer pictures instead of ones that we've uploaded ourselves. So yeah, that is my general design for Healthy Sushi, a healthy sushi restaurant based out of San Ignacio, Belize, with an emphasis on vegan sushi. So hopefully you guys liked it, and any advice or tips would be very appreciated, especially on this menu. Like I said, having some trouble, well, this one actually, just getting the images to not occupy the entire space. And yeah, so any help there would be great, and thanks a lot.